In this video, I'll show you why the PayPal Friends and Family option is not showing up, and what usually causes it. First, PayPal says the Friends and Family option only appears if it's available for that payment. On the Send Money screen, PayPal specifically says you can choose for goods and services or for friends and family, only if available, so sometimes the option simply won't appear for your account or that transaction. One common reason is the recipient's account type. PayPal says friends and family payments are only available when sending to personal PayPal accounts, and business accounts can't receive that payment type. If you're sending to a seller, business profile, or merchant setup, you'll usually only see the goods and services option instead. Another reason is country or account support. PayPal notes that service availability can vary by country and features selected, and some help pages state that friends and family payments aren't supported on certain accounts. So, if the option is missing, check whether you're sending to a personal account, whether your country supports it, and whether the payment looks like a purchase instead of a personal transfer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.